Hi, I'm Dr. Zheyu Wang from the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine. Here in the Division of Quantitative Sciences, we work together to bring the power of advanced statistical methods and artificial intelligence into the forefront of clinical and biomedical research. My primary focus is on advancing medical diagnosis because an accurate diagnosis is often the first step towards successful treatment and prevention. Nowadays, we have access to an extensive and ever-growing pool of biomarker data and novel measurement techniques. The question is, how can we effectively leverage and integrate this comprehensive and yet at times seemingly conflicting information for a better diagnostic accuracy? Or how can we utilize more convenient or economical measurement to guide the use of more costly or invasive procedures? Addressing these questions often faces the challenge due to an absence of gold standard. That is, we may not have definitive information about the underlying medical condition we are interested because of time or cost constraint, ethical consideration, or simply a lack of technology. In such cases, evaluating a new technique against imperfect standard can provide unfair advantage to traditional tests and mask the potential benefit from a novel approach. This challenge is particularly common in effort to improve individualized healthcare because the goal of diagnosis is not only to identify the underlying disease, but to further understand, for example, disease subtypes, specific biological mechanisms behind a condition, or other relevant information that help inform treatment decisions, such as drug resistance. Essentially, what we are doing is creating increasingly detailed layer of classifications based on disease and patient profile to enable more personalized treatment plan. At some level during this process, definitive information about the underlying medical condition will not be available. In fact, our current scientific understanding may not be adequate yet to support this level of detail. For example, we may not fully understand the mechanism behind tumor resistance, but we can still examine patterns that help differentiate different patient groups to guide the treatment decision. Imagine it like trying to uncover a complex map through partial or distorted reflections seen through water. By studying these reflections, or biomarkers, we attempt to reveal the hidden patterns within a patient group that help inform more personalized treatment strategy. In addition to this more personalized approach to improve diagnostic accuracy, my work also focusing on reducing diagnostic error from a population perspective by utilizing the massive information in electronic medical records. For example, at the Armstrong Institute Center for Diagnostic Excellence, we developed a SPADE approach, which stands for Symptom Disease Pair Analysis of Diagnostic Error. We created an automatic algorithm that can identify potential diagnostic errors and factors that may contribute to these errors using electronic medical records. These tools provide data-driven information, highlighting areas that may have been overlooked or could be further improved in current medical practice. You may wonder, how is this achieved? The essential idea behind this work is that adverse events following misdiagnosis are likely to be more severe or more frequent than those following correct diagnosis. So even though experiencing an adverse event does not necessarily indicate a prior misdiagnosis for any given individual, studying adverse event pattern at the population level can help us quantify the incidence of misdiagnosis and identify contributing factors. This information is critical for further improving current medical practice and guiding policy decisions. Ultimately, I hope my work contributes to enhanced healthcare outcome and patient safety.